Stand up, please. Everyone, please stand up. Bow. Good morning, everyone. My name is Bowen, and you can call me Teacher Bowen. Now, please have a seat. Have a seat, please. But before we get right into the class, there are one question for you guys. You guys ready? Let's go. So the question is, have you guys ever have seen any kinds of animals in your life? Any answers? Susan? Turtle, that's right. Turtle is kind of animal. Any other answers? Team? Dog, that's right. Dog is kind of animal. Any other answers? Todd? Guava? Guava is kind of fruit, but not animal. Nice try, but not the correct answer. Now, everyone, please think about that we have some kind of body parts. Like human, we have head, we have the main body part, and we have arm, and we have legs. So we can move around by ourselves. Now, those kinds of animals also have some kind of body parts. So now please turn to page 81. 81, please turn to 81 and look at me. Look at me. So today we're going to fill in the blank at page 81. And now you guys will have to make an example of any kind of animal. So for example, we will have to write down one kind of animal on the topic of the blank. Like, for example, cat. So the blank is all about any kind of body part, such as head, main body part, or arms, legs, and other things else. So now, if like cats, do cats have head? Yes, they do. So you have to draw a circle on the blank. Now, do cats have feet? Yes or no? No. So you have to draw a cross on the blank. Now, we have three groups, Group A, Group B, and Group C. And please fill in the blank and also write an example on the topic. Now you guys will have 20 minutes to make a discussion of this kind of body part and also to make a discussion with your group mates. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go! So group A, your answer, your topic is fish, and group B, your topic is bird. Group C, your topic is dog. Wow, that's cool. Now, 3, 2, 1, time's up. Time's up. Look at me here. So group A, your topic is fish. So your answer is so group A, this is your answer. So let's have a look on it. So do fish have head? Yes, they do. They have head. And do fish have main body parts? Yes, they do. And do fish have arms or legs? Really? So have you guys ever seen any fish walking in water? Yes or no? No. So they haven't have arms or legs. So it is wrong answer. And they haven't have tail. They haven't have feather. They haven't. So group A, do fish have web? You say but the answer is no. Like dog have web, and they can swim on water, and fish also can swim, but they haven't have web, so it is wrong answer. Now, fish have fin, that's right, and do fish have wings? So can fish fly? Okay, yes or no? No, so that is incorrect. That is wrong answer. Nice try, group A, but you have to correct your answer. Now it is group B's turn. So group B, your topic is louder, bird. Good. Your topic is bird, and your answer now. Two birds have head. Yes, that's right. So two birds have many body parts. Yes, they do. And now two birds have arms or legs. Yes or no? It is yes. So group B, birds can fly and they also can walk on the ground. So they have legs. So it is correct. It is circle, not cross. Get it? Now two birds have tail. Like cats and dogs, they have tail, but birds, they haven't have tail, so it is wrong. So it is wrong. So it is wrong. Do birds have feather? Yes, they do. Do birds have web? No, they don't. Do birds have fin? No, they don't. And do birds have wing? Yes, they do. Excellent, but group B, you will have to correct your answers. Now, group C, your topic is, group C louder, your topic is dog. So, group C, your topic is dog. And your answer so, do dogs have head? Yes, they do. And do dogs have many body parts? Yes, they do. And do dogs have arms or legs? Yes, they have legs, so they can walk on the ground. So, do dogs have tail? Yeah. Yes or no? No, they don't have tails. And do dogs have feathers? Yes, they do, so they can fly in the sky. You see, correct answer. And do dogs have web? Yes, they do, so they can swim on water. Excellent. And do dogs have fin? No, they don't. Do dogs have wings? Yes, they do. Perfect. So group C, your answer is correct. Let's clap your hands for group C. All the answer is correct. Now, please think about the blank and look at these three kinds of body parts. So have you guys ever seen these three kinds of animals or other animals have or haven't have these three kinds of body parts? Yes or no? Yes or no? That is yes. So most of animals have main body parts and also have legs or arms. That's right. So Most of animals have those three parts. Excellent. Next class, we're going to talk about different types of animals. And now please close your book and review and also recite it at your return home. Next class, we're going to have a small quiz of the plant. And now you guys can have a 10 minutes of break.